Okay, so here we are in the lovely Torquay. This is the main road just outside the school, and at the bottom of this hill, 2 minutes away, we have the town centre and the high street with all the shops. That runs down to the harbour and seaside. We've got our residents here, so it is literally 2 minutes. Our school is here. Now our homestays come in with new students on a Monday morning and drop them here in the car park. After their induction and test, they go out in our school minibus with our driver and guide, Tony. Tony is also a qualified English teacher, but he also drives the bus. Got our famous swimming pool and our lovely gardens out here. We have barbecues and things in the summer, and the students are in class at the moment, so it's quite quiet. So here we are, welcome to Kaplan International Torquay. This is our reception area. Sam Paul, Pete's videoing here.
Hello.
So Sam and Paul sit on reception. When students come in on a Monday, they're given a complimentary coffee voucher, and they can come in here and get some lovely coffee from our lady who does our hot and cold lunches. Hi, old man. Our social activities board is up here. We have a meet the team board here, and the class lists are up. And then just down here, we've got our accommodation office, and Donna and Sarah are just out at the moment visiting some students, and we've got Tom, our Director of Studies.
Hello.
So Tom looks after all our classes. Just to have a look upstairs. We've got our classrooms here. We've got e-beams, interactive whiteboards in all the classrooms.